Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect and forget your Apple AirPods from your iPhone. And this is easy to do. So on an iPhone, let's just scroll on down from the top right specifically. And then we can go to Bluetooth. And we can hold down on here. And we can go to the Bluetooth settings. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on if you want to use your AirPods, otherwise it simply won't work. But we can see AirPods under My Devices, not connected. Go to the little eye next to it, and then go to Forget this device. And forget the device. Now you can easily reconnect it by opening up the little case. And it should display under here, and you can just simply go to connect. Otherwise there's a little button on the back. Just hold this down and this will put into the Bluetooth pairing mode. That little white light will begin to blink. But on the iPhone it's really easy. All you have to do is connect and it will show you the battery percentage too. So I'm good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.